Hello everybody, this is Abraham with North Shore Computer Services. I'd like to share today with you the newest thing that I have purchased. It is a Thunderbolt adapter and a cable. I'd like to compare the Thunderbolt with USB, copying to a mechanical hard drive, then a solid state hard drive, and I also want to compare everything to this USB flash card reader. I just want to see how long it takes for everything to be, for almost 1 gigabyte file to be exchanged. We are going to take my nifty stopwatch, and hopefully it'll be visible. Let's see, start right here, stop, reset. Okay, we got it all. So let's begin. The computer, it's a MacBook Air with a Thunderbolt adapter and USB adapters, ports I should say. It is plugged into the wall, so it's running at full power. We have a USB flash card reader, SD card reader. Let's open it up. Here's a file that we'd like to work with. It is, just write it down, it is 779 megabytes. So 779 megabytes. Let's see how long it takes for this file to be copied from USB reader to the desktop. So we're going to take our file, drag it, go. Alright, so it says less than a minute. We're up to 7, 8 seconds, 9 seconds, 10, 11, 12. Here, let's just do this. Here. So we are copying a 779 megabyte file from an SD card using a USB adapter to the desktop. And then we're going to try other devices. Alright, 49 seconds. So we have 49 seconds. Let's jot it down. So for a USB adapter, SD, 49 seconds. Now I know it is different from copying from USB to desktop. So let's, for the sake of completeness, let's reset our clock and copy the same file. Let's just pick a different folder, or actually no, we don't have enough room in here. Let's delete this file. Okay, and now let's copy the same file back from desktop to the SD card and see how long it takes. So we're taking our file, bringing it back, go. Oh, can't be copied, not enough disk space. Okay, we need to empty the trash. Empty trash. Okay, that should have plenty of space now. Let's reset our clock and let's do it again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. So now we're copying a 779 megabyte file from desktop back to SD card. Let's see how long it takes. 28 seconds, 30 seconds. So it takes much longer to copy from the computer back to SD card. It's interesting. So which means the SD card is not that fast. And it is not a fast card. This is just the basic 4 GB cheapest card on the market. I bought it for like $4 or something. And I bought it at the store, not online. So online this would have been, I don't know, $1 or $2. Okay, we're up to minute 29. We still have some to go. Boy, this is slow. This could be an issue with the converter from USB to SD. Might not be very fast. I'm copying backwards, but we're almost there. But there you go. 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Alright, let's record that time. So from desktop to SD, 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Alright, we got our file. Let's close this. Let's close this. Eject. Alright, now we can safely remove that. Now let's use a USB adapter with a mechanical hard drive, and let's check what's going to happen. Alright, we don't want to use it for backup. Open it up. There's nothing there. So now we're running a test on, let's reset our time, on copying the file from desktop to a mechanical hard drive. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And we're still using USB adapter. Now this is made by Seagate. Alright, seems to be going much faster using USB for hard drive. Alright, 34 seconds. Let's jot it down. So desktop to hard drive HD mechanical, 34 seconds. Now let's copy. Oh, come on, I don't want to use it. Oh, I see. This is I got the hard drive partitioned, so it just found the other half. Now let's copy. Let's create a folder and copy from mechanical hard drive to the computer. And let's see how long it takes. Reset our clock. Let me move this up here. Get this. Come on. Alright. 1, 2, 3. So now we're copying from the hard drive back to the computer, and as you can see it goes faster, much faster. So it's always faster to copy from the device to the computer. Okay, good. about 21 seconds. So let's record that. We got HD Mechanical to desktop, 21 seconds. Alright. Reset our clock. So let's eject all this stuff. Close. Let's delete. Yeah, let's delete all this stuff. Don't need that. Empty trash. Empty trash. Takes longer to empty trash than it is to copy the files. Let's see, let's get rid of this one. I see. Sorry guys, didn't expect the trash to be taking so long to empty. Alright, while it's doing that... Oh, I can't disconnect anything. Alright. I guess we can connect something. So here is our Thunderbolt cable. And this cable is supposedly 10 gigabit per second. Now, while it's doing that, I did discover that not every Mac can handle power over the Thunderbolt connector. My older iMac that I have, 27-inch iMac, cannot power this, there you go, cannot power the Thunderbolt hard drive. So let's eject all that, disconnect. Now we're going to use our mechanical hard drive with our Thunderbolt adapter. Okay, this is all made by Seagate, so let's plug it in. Would be nice if I plugged it in right. Okay, there you go. The lights are on. It's going to take a few seconds for the information to be transferred. There you go. Alright, so let's open Mac and get our time clock. And so we are copying a 779 megabyte file using Thunderbolt adapter from desktop to mechanical hard drive. One, two, oh, okay. Pushed it a little sooner, so we got about less than a second that we need to adjust for. Okay. Alright, we got 13 seconds. It is faster, so we have desktop to Thunderbolt mechanical hard drive, 13 seconds. Alright, let's copy it back from mechanical hard drive to the computer. Let's see. Alright, so let's get our time. Reset. Okay. And 1, 2, 3. So now it's going from hard drive, mechanical hard drive, to the desktop. Let's see what it's going to do. Alright, about the same 13 seconds. So we have Thunderbolt to desktop, mechanical, and it's 13 seconds. It's actually 12.71, but we did, on the previous one, we did push the clock a little sooner, so it clocked a little more, which was 13 seconds. This one is 12 seconds. Give or take, roughly the same thing. So the speed on Thunderbolt is definitely much higher. Much higher. Okay, so let's get rid of this stuff. Alright, and empty. Hopefully it will not... Okay, it didn't take that long. That's good. Let's empty this one. And... Okay. empty trash, empty trash. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, and I'm not sure how the hard drive is partitioned, but we're gonna disconnect our Thunderbolt. Okay, I should have ejected it, it's alright. And we're going to use, come out, wherever you are. Alright, we're going to use the SD hard drive. It's a SATA. Alright, we're going to plug it into our Thunderbolt adapter. And not readable, initialize. Okay, let's initialize this partition. One partition, apply. Partition. Okay, using Thunderbolt, suppose, okay, so it was very fast. So we're not going to use it for, okay, so now it's a Mac formatted hard drive. And let's see how fast the Thunderbolt and SD hard drive exchange information between computer. Alright, so we're copying from desktop to Thunderbolt SD. 1, 2, 3. Alright. It is going fast. Boom. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Guys, so desktop to SD Thunderbolt 5 seconds. I like that. Alright, let's reset our clock. Now back from Thunderbolt to a folder on a desktop. Let's arrange them a little so it's a little easier. Okay, so we are going to start timing, and 1, 2, 3. Oh man, this is fast. Alright, 5 seconds. Same thing. So we have from desktop, oh, I'm sorry, from Thunderbolt to desktop SD 5 seconds. Alright, so we got our chart here. We have a file of 779 megabytes. Let's just recap. And we're copying using something like this. It took us 49 seconds to copy from here to the desktop. It took us over 2 minutes from desktop back to here. Alright. On the USB hard drive, it took us 34 seconds and 21 seconds to copy back and forth to a mechanical hard drive. We didn't check. Alright, let's run a check on. Let's close all this stuff and let's delete this. Close that. Delete. Okay, let's empty trash. Yes. Get rid of this stuff. And empty trash. Okay, let's eject our Thunderbolt. Ejected. Now, let's do one more test, and that would be from an SD to using USB. Alright, let's check. So there's our USB, there's our time, there's our hard drive. Okay, so we're copying, let's get my cheat sheet, copying desktop to the SD hard drive using USB. Alright, desktop 1, 2, 3. And it's taking and taking and taking and taking. ticking and ticking, and then we're up to 13 seconds. We're up to 15 seconds. Come on. Alright, 21 seconds. Let's copy it back. So we're copying from the external hard drive to the desktop. 1, 2, 3. It's going and going and going and going. As you can see, nothing compares to 5 seconds of the Thunderbolt exchange. That is fast. Alright, 20 seconds. Same thing. Alright, so there you have it, folks. Thunderbolt adapter. It has its limitations. Like I said, it will not work on the older iMac. I'll show you the older iMac. There is the iMac. Because for some reason older iMac does not provide power over the Thunderbolt, and this one does not have any holes for external power supply, and that's just too bad. Thank you for watching.